They have hurriedly prosecuted Dele Farotimi and sent him to prison after being denied bail. Just like that. Like, prosecuted the lawyer within 24 hours of arrest and sent him to prison. This is the height of lawlessness in this country called Nigeria. Even during military regime, this kind of oppression is hardly seen. And here we are, claiming to be practicing democracy. Democracy, my foot. We obviously don't have democracy. And again, we obviously don't have an impartial judiciary. The subversive elements that are parading themselves as judges in our country are fantastically corrupt and with no conscience. Wake up, Nigerians, and rescue your country from the enemies who are ruling, looting, and ruining your country. The time is now and not 2027. Except we all want to wait, and after they must have arrested all of us, then we can now act from our various prisons. I mean, what level of docility is this? We all sit down in our various houses and ranting online when we should all hit the streets and demand good governance from these guys. Even if they don't want to deliver good governance to us, they should at least stop oppressing the suffering masses. This is the right time to occupy both media and streets. Now, if a man like Dele Farotimi can be demoralized like this, who else remains? They obviously have their target, and we all know who the person is. This is just a prototype to a bigger oppression to come. Honestly, this is not the time to be expressing shocks and concerns. Rather, it is a time to take decisive and collective actions. Dele Farotimi has been a fearless advocate for justice, accountability, and protection of human rights. So we should all stand up for him in times like this. Let the legal fireworks begin, since the Nigerian police has probably arraigned Dele Farotimi in court based on the allegation of defamation. The reckless misuse of powers under APC is mind-boggling. Few months ago, P2B sued Bayo Onanuga for defamation and allowed the courts to do their works. That is what is called obeying the rule of law. He didn't get the police nor the army involved to go and harass Onanuga. Instead, he followed the due process. But on the contrary, these APC sympathizers will never obey any law. Rather, they will resort to using police, army, and other security agencies to settle civil matters, which is very wrong. Allow civilians to settle their matters in civilian ways. Allow the military and other security agencies to settle their own in their way. There are lots of insecurity issues in this country that the police and other security agencies should focus on, not meddling in civil matters like this. Honestly, the very day this country will have a worthy leadership, there will be so much deep cleansing to be done to the Nigerian system. The judiciary especially will have to be overhauled and dismantled from top to bottom. Because any nation that fails to protect its advocates for truth and justice is a nation on the path to tyranny. However, a call to arrest of Dele Farotimi is a call to silence all well-meaning Nigerians that are fighting for good governance. My suggestion is for all the human rights activists and all the fighters of good governance to stage a united protest, the call to silence everyone. If all the Nigerian activists and all the fighters of good governance stand for each other with one voice, I believe something can be changed. Nigeria must not be a country where only one person or group of persons are allowed to talk, then others should be silent and observers. No, it shouldn't be that way. All hands must be on deck. Because the truth remains that the moment we understand that the whole institution and systems are against us, is the moment we will start speaking truth to power. So my people, let's have your thoughts in the comment section below over this whole judicial rascality and misuse of security agencies going on in our country, especially under this APC administration, because it seems as if there is serious campaign to clamp down public opinions about the government. They want everyone to be OS member, and it doesn't work that way. Hello, you're watching Daily Events News, your favorite platform for amazing events happening across Nigeria. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much, and kindly give us a thumb up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. We really appreciate. And if you're seeing this handle for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification button for more interesting updates. Also follow us across social media at Daily Event News. See you all in our next video, and thanks for watching.